So most people solve this question like 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Then again 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Now 5 multiply 5 is equal to 25, right? But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, right? PEMDAS, P-E-M-D-A-S. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parentheses, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So in this question, here we have one subtraction, here multiplication, and here we have one parenthesis, right? So first priority is this parenthesis, then second priority is this multiplication, and third priority is this subtraction, right? So first we have to solve this parenthesis. So 7 minus 2. Now 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. So multiply 5, right? Now here we have one subtraction and here multiplication. So second priority is this multiplication. So 2 multiply 5 is equal to 10. So 7 minus 10. Now 7 minus 10 is equal to minus 3. So the correct answer is minus 3, right? If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe with the Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.